Hey everyone, it's Allie here from alliesblog.ca. So today I have my Manny box for December 2019. So this theme for this month is Let's Build a Snowman. So I just got this one in I think the beginning of January. So I'm going to show you now. I'm a little bit late posting the video. But yeah, so I'm going to show you this one, and I will probably have January's up pretty soon as well. So let's go ahead and get straight into the box. Alright, so inside the box we've got our little card. So we've got a little snowman and stuff on there, and our theme again is Let's Build a Snowman, and it tells you all of the things that are in this month's box. So it actually looks really cute. So let's start with this one here. This is a Muyu London nail lacquer in olive tree. So that is what we've got for the nail polish. It's a different color. It's kind of, it is like on a green tinge, so it's like an olive tree, I guess. Different. I'll show you what it looks like. Ouch. Get a kind of close up of what the color looks like. So that is olive tree, and this one is $9.99 American, I believe, on the website. And then next we've got, this looks like the stamper. So this is the Muyu London rectangular stamper and scraper, and this one is $9.50 American on the website. You get a cute little scraper here with Muyu London, and this is the stamper. So let's just pull it out. It's actually pretty sticky. I've never tried, I don't think I've never had this kind of Muyu London stamper before. I don't know if I've tried any. I think I might have a clear one. I can't remember. So I'll definitely be interested to try this one out. But it is a very sticky, kind of squishy stamper. So we'll see what that's like. Alright, next we have these. This is from Beautometry. So we've got a snowflake nail art sequin. I believe it's $1.99 American, and then a flat back rhinestones in various sizes, and those are $4.99. So let's just pull it out. So these are the cute little snowflakes. Oh, they're actually pretty cute. Apparently I can't open anything today. That is what they look like. Those are cute. Alright, and let's look at what the other thing is. Ooh, these are pretty. So these are the rhinestones. Very nice. So I'll give you kind of a close-up of them. You can see all the different types. Really, really pretty. I think I will be making definitely a snow mani very soon, because I've got a lot of cute stuff in here to try. Alright, and then on to the stamping plates. So we've got two stamping plates, and they are Festive and Snow, both by Muyu London. So this one is the snow one, and that's what it looks like. So this is Snow Collection 04. Really nice. I think I'll be using that one. And then we've got the Festive one as well. Both of these are $9.99 each on the Beautometry website. So this is Festive Collection 48, and also a lot of really cute snowman ones. So I think I will be doing a mani pretty soon with most of this stuff, because I think it will make a really, really cute snow nail design. So that is everything I have for today's My Manny box. As always, thanks for watching, and please subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you next time. Thanks. Bye.